Hello and welcome. This video is in continuation of the video on integration of Django and InertiaJS. Today, we will learn to integrate Tailwindcss, a well-known utility CSS framework, in the same project that we had created in the part 1 of this series of videos. Let's head over to official website of Tailwindcss and find the documentation related to Tailwindcss integration with Vite.js. Now let's follow the instructions given in the documentation. But first, make sure you are inside subdirectory inside root directory, where package.json is located. Now run the given first command, which will install Tailwindcss along with other dependencies, and next command will create a configuration file for its integration that is tailwindcss.config.js. Now, as document is telling us, we need to create post.css.config.js and paste the given content from the documentation in the file. Now we need to tell Tailwindcss to check the type of files to look for utility classes. So we add the path of view files to it. What it means is, whenever we add any utility class in the view.js template, the Tailwindcss will scan it and generate the CSS. Next step is to import Tailwindcss components in our project. To do that, we need to create a directory called CSS inside resources directory and create a file in it, let's name it styles.css, and import the Tailwindcss components in it. Now, last bit that remains is, we need to add the style.css inside app.js so that it will be compiled when we run node server. Go to app.js file and import styles.css. Make sure path should be correctly mentioned. Now let's run the both Python as well as node server. Go to browser and open application and check if things are working fine. As you can see, head tag h1 is normalized, hence the Tailwindcss is integrated. Now, let's do one more check. By changing style of h1 tag, make it semi-bold. Also, make the text extra large. Here we go, we can see it's working. Okay then, we should call it a day. I will see you in the next one.